This is Wes from Somerset Grills, affectionately known as the And It's Food Friday. As usual, we're grilling this weekend. We want you to get out and grill. Get out, grill something, post it on Instagram, tag Somerset Grills, and we're gonna send you a free t-shirt. Get out there. Today we're gonna be cooking up some simple blue cheese sliders. We're gonna use some onions and some tomatoes. We're gonna throw them out. It's simple, everybody likes them. Let's get on it. Okay, we're gonna fire up the American Muscle Grill, our apparatus, our grilling apparatus of choice here on Food Friday. We do it every Friday. We're gonna fire it up like we always do. Oh yeah, there it goes. Boom. Got 110,000 BTUs. I turned 3 of the burners on. We'll leave them on for about 3 minutes. At that point, my solid fuels will be combusted. We're using applewood and natural maple hardwood today. So that's gonna give our sliders a really good barbecue taste. These simple blue cheese sliders are gonna be made no time at all. First of all, I wanna let you know that I did wash my hands. I don't like wearing those fancy little gloves. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna throw some blue cheese right into our hamburger meat here. Usually we use 80-20, a little fat, throw it on the grill. I'm gonna go ahead and mix this together. It looks like a mess, but it'll be very good. Okay, I've mixed some of my blue cheese in with my hamburger meat. I'm gonna go ahead and keep it simple. Get some pepper on there, mix that in. Get some salt. Basics of all spices in the world, pepper and salt. A lot of people don't use anything but this. I'm gonna go ahead and mix that up a little more. Work it in there a little bit. We're gonna go ahead and make our sliders. I'm gonna make them small, try to get 8 out of this. Should be enough in here. 8, and we'll go ahead and make this last one here. There we go. We got 8 burgers and a bonus burger out of that. We've gone ahead and mixed in our ground pepper, our salt, our hamburger with our blue cheese, and we're gonna get those on. I'm gonna check my fire. Looks like the American Muscle Grill's firing up here. So we're gonna go ahead and turn off the gas. We have no gas, we're on natural fuels at this point. We're gonna let that fire down a little bit. I'll break it out and we'll have some nice white coals in which to cook our burgers. These blue cheese sliders are gonna be accompanied by some nice tomatoes and a nice onion. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut our onion right now. We're gonna get that in some nice lean little strips. We're gonna go ahead, oh yeah, let's see. Okay, at this point, I'm gonna go ahead and get my onions into my cooking pan here so I can caramelize them. Throw them in there like such. Oh, they're good ones, I can tell. I'm gonna go ahead, throw a little olive oil in there. I'm gonna go ahead and get these on the high heat and get them caramelized. We're gonna leave these on for probably about 12 to 15 minutes, depending on the heat of your fire. We've got it on an open flame, so we're gonna watch it. But they'll caramelize in about 15 minutes. To accompany our sliders, I've got a couple of really nice homegrown California tomatoes. We're gonna go ahead and slice them and we're gonna enjoy those. Cut them real thin. Come on, baby. There we go. Look how that one cuts different. We're going to throw our sliders on the hot fire now. We have the American Muscle Grill up to temperature. Got some nice coals in there. We're going to go ahead and throw our sliders right on the fire. I'm going to flip my burgers. I had them on for about 3 or 4 minutes. We're on an open fire. You kind of work quick. Get your spatula underneath them, flip them over. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and grab my caramelized onions and I'm going to place them on the hamburger buns, just a little on each. Just a little taster there. And I have to leave one off because I have somebody that doesn't like onions. Come on, baby. These look pretty good. Okay, we're going to bring them back over here. Set them down. We're going to go ahead and put a little tomato on each one. Give it a little color, give it a nice little texture, a little taste. Oh yeah, you can tell these are going to be good. I can smell that blue cheese melted in there. Oh yeah, cut it out. Then we're going to go ahead and we're going to throw a little arugula over the top. Get some color. Okay. And we're going to go ahead and finish these off. We're going to top these off with a little mayo. Today we're pairing our blue cheese sliders with a Melvin IPA out of Alpine, Wyoming. This is a great tasting beer, but let's be honest, any beer tastes good with a blue cheese slider. This is my favorite part of the day. As you know, I get to try the food and try the beer. My, that's good. That's it for us today. We want you to get out there this weekend and grill it up like we always encourage you to do. So if you're out there, whatever you're cooking, go ahead and take a picture, post it on Instagram, and tag Somerset Grills, and we'll get you a free t-shirt. That's it for Food Friday. The villain's gonna be chilling. We'll see you next week on Food Friday.